We're going to use Hostinger to set up our VPS. Hostinger is very affordable to get started, and it makes deploying OpenClaw super simple with just one click. So with a free AI model and an affordable hosting plan, this method is one of the most cost-effective ways to start using OpenClaw. And to get the best possible deal on your Hostinger VPS, make sure to sign up using our exclusive partner link in the description below to get an extra 10% off any Hostinger plan. Once you click on that link, you'll land on this page here. In the top right, you can select a VPS plan. KVM2 is the default, and it's a good fit for OpenClaw. I'll keep it selected, and then I'll click Deploy. Next, choose your billing period. I'll use 12 months for this tutorial, but 24 is usually the best value. Here you'll see that OpenClaw is set to auto-deploy, and that's exactly what we want. This just means that Hostinger will install it for you automatically. If you scroll down, you'll see a few more options. Because we're using Kimi, we won't add any of these credits, and to save money, I won't enable daily auto backups. Though if you're going to use this a lot, backups can be worth it. Next, pick a server location. Choosing one closest to your audience is usually best for performance, and my default location looks to have the best latency. If you choose a 12 or 24 month period, and you've used our link, you'll see that the coupon code is automatically applied with the extra 10% discount. Once you do, and you're all ready, click Continue. Then create your Hostinger account with an email and a password, and click Register. On this screen, enter your billing information, then click Continue to enter your payment information, and finally, when everything looks good, click Submit Payment. Once you've paid, click here to get started. Hostinger will bring you to the OpenClaw configuration screen. Yours might look slightly different than mine because Hostinger is continually improving this, but you'll see some fields where you could place API keys from major AI providers. Since we're using Kimi, we won't enter anything in these, but if we scroll down, this OpenClaw gateway token is a required field, and it's something that we need to save. Click here to make it visible, and then go ahead and copy this and save it somewhere safe. This token is basically the key that lets your VPS connect to your OpenClaw dashboard. So treat it like a password. Don't share it, and don't leave it sitting in a doc that you'll forget about. Once you have it saved, you can rehide it, and then click Deploy. You'll see a survey here, but you can just scroll down and click Skip. This will bring us to Hostinger's Docker Manager, and we can see that our project is being deployed. This may take a few minutes, so let's check back when it's finished. Once it finishes, your OpenClaw project should show as running.